Go to steps. Step 1, I wrap each crystal with triskelion, alright, and some wire. Then what I did was I wrapped the round part of the crown on the sides, you know, gave it a little pattern right here, as you can see, this wire pattern that I'm doing, okay, on each side. And these right here make it adjustable. You can move it to the left or right and cause it to slide to tighten it on your head. So that's how you adjust it. So to adjust it to a person's head, I would need them to give me a measurement or be present so that I could adjust it properly. Once I have that done, then twist this together, right? And I'll put this over on top of this right here and connect it. Once it's connected, then I start adding the crystals to it. Okay, so that's kind of the workflow. You're getting to hear my workflow. For those who heard it and know, give your boy props, you know what I'm saying? Yeah.